Wonderful day! Oh no! My heel! It's all because of this awful gum! You won't escape from me! Your ice cream! Here!
Wow!
Hi! I'm the best strawberry ice cream ever! Ew! So much spit! You ruined my hair! Ooh! Popcorn! Go in the microwave! Steve, wake up! Let's get this party started! Let's ride! Spin as hard as you can! Here comes the boom! Popcorn's ready! This popcorn is so good! My milk is boiling over! You see that? The coast is clear! It's our chance! Run! But the lid won't let the milk escape. Phew! So close! I'm getting bored, and I'm thirsty. I love Coke! Hang on! I have Mentos! Let's have some fun! The Coke explosion looks pretty impressive. What was that? But what am I supposed to drink now? Green tea? Nice idea! I'll add hot water and the tea will start brewing. The tea leaf loves it. It smells amazing! Tin was in such a hurry to eat his breakfast that he forgot a slice of bread on the table. I'm here! Don't go! Don't leave me! That's it! Enough! I have been soft for too long! Time to change! The bread started working out. Oh, bread! Ouch! My tooth! The soft bread is long gone. From now on, he's tough as nails. Oil on a hot pan. Whoa! Feels great! I love this spa! Now I can throw in the peas. Hi! I'm your new roommate. What? I don't want this! Get out of here! Ouch! The oil is sizzling again. Nothing is better than fresh bread with raspberry jam. Except eating it in front of a TV. The sandwich does a flip and sticks to the landing. It fell jam side up. How lucky is that? Alex decided to have tea and cookies. But the crumbs turned out to be very tricky. They want to invade the whole couch. We're not going anywhere. We're staying here. Fine. You're asking for it. Not a vacuum cleaner. These fries are missing something. They need ketchup. This ketchup is actually super hot. It makes fries taste special. Eating jam and watching TV at the same time isn't the best idea. Now the remote is all dirty. Is it that hard to wash your hands? Toffee! My favorite candy! Hi, everyone! Gorgeous teeth! I'll eat all of them! I won't leave anything! Oh no! My teeth! My angels! We'll be together forever! I've got you, teeth! You won't get rid of me! I won't eat these again! You're stuck! That's the power of toffee, baby! Done! Girls, here are my signature meringues! Do you like them? Yeah! What an amazing dessert! Duh! Who wouldn't like such a handsome guy? Chips! That's so good! But my hands are covered in crumbs! These aren't crumbs! These are tiny potato clothes! The water is boiling! I can throw in the pasta! Done! Now I just have to put it on a plate. A few got stuck. I can't get them. I'll take care of you. Guys! Hang in there! One survived. Whatever. I am too hungry. Penny's favorite thing to do is watching TV shows with chips and guacamole. Oh man! I got dirty again! I need a napkin! I'm here for you! Let's go! The napkin perfectly handles the mess. Shelling peanuts isn't for the faint of heart. Whoa. Hi!
Huh?
Where am I? I'm gonna remove all this! It's so good! I'll have a fresh salad for lunch today! Lettuce doesn't like this idea. But first, I need to chop it. No! What is she doing? She's gonna ruin my beauty! My amazing hair! Oh no! Perfect slices of bread and cheese. It's so great here! I'll put it all in a microwave. Time! Oof! It doesn't look good anymore! Ah, why?
Huh? Oops.
Black coffee leaves traces on your teeth. Ha ha ha! I'll paint your teeth pitch black! But whitening gum will help me. Hey, coffee, get out of here! I'll paint it Snow White. I earned some candy today. I love Chupa Chups. Just don't lick me. Raspberry, my favorite flavor. Ouch! That hurt! Uh-oh, I dropped it again. I don't want to eat a hairy lollipop. Gross! Ew! That's not even my hair! Bananas with chocolate! I love it! Bye-bye, top! Now I'll peel it! How dare you! I can't eat it with the peel! Yum! Oh no! I'm allergic! Don't bite me! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what living food you like the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.